Now the silver inlay on the Charisma cartridge. Later, she will show how to polish, and then you can try it by yourself because.
So sieht aus. So muss es.
Aha, okay. This is how it looks in the beginning, and this is how it looks at the end. So I think it's quite impressive.
Will it stay shiny like that over time?
It will stay shiny, yes, because it's a silver alloy. It's a silver stainless steel alloy.
Handarbeit.
Ja, Handarbeit.
100% Handarbeit.
100% handmade.
Yeah.
This of course, this is a cosmetic part, and if you was, da ist V-Stock. Okay, Natascha?
Solange das bin ich da.
Ja. Also alles okay.
Das approved.
Yes. The turntable, the cartridge body is made out of ebony wood. This is being machined by a small company in the next village, Bubenreuth. And Bubenreuth is known for the violin makers. Oh. So this is coming from a company who's doing the bows for violins, and the machining and the is excellent.
And guitars.
And guitars as well. Yes.
Even Paul McCartney made one of his bass guitars.
In Höfner.
Yeah.
Yes. So, Natascha, wir kommen wieder zu dir.
Ja, gerne.
So here you on the microscope you see various coils.
Finish.
Just on the left is a copper coil, and on the right is a gold coil. So you can clearly see the first price. Later in the workshop you. Industrie und natürlich möglichst gleich.
This is Kupfer.
Copper, not gold.
Yes, gold.
Ah, there's gold.
That's for you.
Yeah. Ah, this is gold and this is copper.
Gold is smaller.
Smaller diameter.
Put it on
Magnet.
This stage is still
on the
Axis.
sleeve.
this
On the sleeve here.
Yes.
You have under the coil here an iron sleeve, and you can
so you need
let
to
it
find the
dry
right
when you have made
ratios
your own
between
coil
the damping
to put it on
Interesting.
to see how
And then,
small this is.
yeah, it's very small.
Yeah, make tests
Ah, before. To see.
We can say yes, it's
Or no.
good, or no, we must make it new.
New tests.
Yes. Stylus
What is
and
the
on
stylus?
maybe.
Stylus.
Yes.
This is stylus. And you put the stylus there
Yes.
with the coils and the system.
Yes.
And almost finished now, almost finished. Huh? After this,
After this, I close here
the lids
yes, and then I put it here
on the cell.
in. I will put it here in. Yes.
Ah, you put it there.
Here, there, and then I will here put
Ah, you
the
the
rear.
lids to,
Yeah,
to
I
the
put here the
connectors.
rear. Yes, and then Flötner.
Yes.
Also I,
You do this, huh?
yes, all here. Here I have my
Your
solding. Yes,
Yeah, solding system.
yes, genau. I sold this, and then we close this. There.
And then you
And
measure
then
it.
I measure and I can see it's good, it's not good. I can use something. I can see if I can adjust this a little bit, and then
You decide
and then,
if it is
and then
good.
I can say yes, it's good for this, or it's bad. Oops, it's good.
Good. Gold.
Yes,
How much money are these? Huh?
I don't know.
But it's expensive, the gold.
Yes. The problem is
Which model is this now? Model? Cartridge model?
this is jetzt Stradivari.
Stradivari.
Yes.
And this one Stradivari?
No, this is titanium.
Titanium, yeah.
Yes. This one is Stradivari.
Lorena knows everything about cartridges.